welcome back to Balabas Gist, my people. If today not the first time they come across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. We still dey here, they bring you updates back to back as it dey hot. Yeah, my wonderful people, let's go to today and look inside the ogbonge news where we get for our table today. No be small thing, no, as we dey talk right now. They say that one Biafra Liberation Army, where they call Commander Holy Ghost, they say it don't come outside though. Can't say this one where we want pass now. Now the last information where we want pass give the people where they live near barrack. He mentioned one barrack where they for Owerri for Imo State, where they call Obirins. If you don't dey for Owerri, you go dey familiar to this barrack where we dey talk about. He say that the people where they go for this where they live area for this barrack or where they hawk for inside that place. He said this one are the last information we go fit give them, because they enter inside the barrack almost every day. He say even them they among them, but they no know. Say they too they sleep. And they say that they prepare heavily to go visit them. No be smart, you know. You go hear them for this video. But the problem where most of them get be shown, I know they share video and I know they watch the video from beginning to end. Because if you watch the video from beginning to end, you go to get information and know wetin dey happen. And take the one where you feel take and remove the one where you feel remove. Make sure say you share this video while I go play right now. Try to watch it from beginning to end and listen to wetin talk for this particular video where we do that. Okay, we'll see you for the once you watch and finish, then we'll come back and talk more things.
I want you to share this message as fast as you can. I always say this to you, that when the information come on time to you and you fail to make good use of it, you will have yourself to be blamed. Because our people say that when the bell or the alarm of war is sound on time, that even the cripple stand a chance to escape the danger. Final warning. Final warning. Final warning to all Biafrans living close to any barrack. Final warning. Relocate. Our coming will be like that of the Son of God you have been waiting for. But reassure that as I'm talking to you now, we are looking at them. We are the one guiding them. We look at the way they are sleeping and snoring. We are looking at them. But for the fact that today is not the day, we will see go. And we have been looking at them. We have been watching them. We have been watching them very closely. They do not even have idea that we are in their midst, because they can't see us. We are in their midst. Do you understand that? Why they are prepared to wish us, to stop us, to prevent us, we are already in their midst. We are taking our time to arrange how that place will look like, because definitely we are going to give them a new look. You know, we will tell you something that we know we can do. We will tell you what we can do, so that you start preparing to stop us, so that at the end, when you fail and you can't stop us, you know power pass power. Yes, that is Biafrans for you. We told them that we will cripple Nigeria economy down to the ground. They thought we were joking. Some of them are challenging us to come out from bush. And then I told him, wait, and we are coming. And we have been going out too. They have been dying. We have been going out, and they have been dying. But this time around, as we are moving out finally from the bush, we are moving out finally from the bush, and everywhere we burn would catch fire. As I told them before, leave Biafra territory with your life while you can, or your dead body will not locate your home. It's just a simple say. Leave Biafra territory while you can with your life. Otherwise, nobody, no fucking person will be there to carry your dead body back to your hometown. Or when everything catch fire, the rest will be running for their safety. Final warning. Leave Biafra territory now that you can. And all the Biafrans staying close to Barrack, we will give you 3 months to relocate. 3 months to relocate. If you really love your life, relocate from Barrack. Because whosoever that is thinking that we are joking is on his head. We are here to restore Biafra, and we must restore Biafra. If you know, you know. It is a task that must be accomplished. If we fail to do so, Chukwukika Abiyama will wipe us out and our family. And that is why we can't joke with it. That is why we can't play with it. That is why we can never bow down or back off or look back for whatever. And 2 things involved. Either we kill our enemy or we die with our enemy. The most important thing is our enemy must die. Do you understand it? Our enemy must die. Nothing can save you as the enemy of Biafra. So, we are just looking at you people. We are walking around. You see, we are some of you that even try to stay awake reach now have been smoking all your life. We are here with you. We are very here in your midst. Obrize. Obrize Barrack. May God have mercy on your soul, and may the devil prepare a very nice place to receive your soul very soon. 3 months for those of you that are staying close to the barrack, because everywhere will be tumble. Everywhere will be tumble. We give them this information that they may prepare, because we are out for the enemy of Biafra. No going back. So, if you love your brother, if you love your sister, if you love your friend, if you love your neighbor that are staying close to any barrack, tell the person to start relocation, to move out, because something is about to happen. The reason why we tell you this is because we are not terrorists. We are not Boko Haram. We love our own. And we will give you that information that will guide you away from death. Because you are also the reason why we are fighting for our freedom. So the freedom will be useless if there is not you to enjoy it. And you are very important for us. A true Biafran is who I'm referring to. So, 3 months is enough for you to relocate. This is final warning. Final warning. Final warning. Final warning. You will not say you were not warned. We have 3 things to target in every territory in Biafra land. And these 3 things, if you are staying close to these 3 places, I'm going to mention this night. Relocate. Government house, barrack, and secretariat. We are coming for you. Every presence of the zoo must be demolished in our territory. So therefore, take this message to them and tell them to fortify themselves as they can, because we are the wing that they cannot catch. And because we are fighting for what is rightfully belong to us, winning is 100% guarantee. The God of justice, the God of our ancestors, are fully with us. And that is why they don't understand anything anymore. They cannot understand. They will never understand. They are being so confused. And we will help them end their confusion by ending their life. It is our, honor. It will be a great honor to us to end their life so as to end their confusion. Because we tell them that we have only one option for peace. And that is Biafra or Biafra. Because what our forefather died for was not for a better Nigeria. And that is why Nigeria can never be better. They died for Biafra. What made them kidnap a great prophet of our time Mazi Nnamdi Kanu was not for a better Nigeria, it was for the Biafra. What made them prison so many young youths was not for a better Nigeria, it was and it is for a Biafra. And what made them keep killing and burning our houses, it is not for a better Nigeria, it is for a Biafra. And the only solution which they know is to end Nigeria for Biafra. And since they say they cannot do that in peace, then we will help them do it in pieces. As simple as ABC. This is the land of our ancestors. And this land of our ancestors belongs to us. And believe you me, when I keep telling you that we go nowhere, you think it is just a word. No. We will not move an inch because you cannot move us. It is not just a word. It is the fact that you cannot stand on our way to stop us. They never born you. They never born you. Yes, we are in our homeland. This is our land, not Yoruba land, not Fulani land, not England land, not Europe land. We are in our land. The land whom our ancestors hand over to our great-grandfather, that hand over to our father, that hand over to us. And we must hand over this land to our children without your presence. That is just the oath we take. Whatever that will cost us, we are ready to pay that very price, so that our children will be at peace, a long-lasting peace, so that Africa will be at peace, so that black race will be restored their glory back. And if you think you can stop us, I challenge you to move forward. They never born you. We must restore Biafra. So, get ready. Oh, Ogechi game. Mgbe Ogechi ga-eme o, mkpamkpa ga-agba. Mgbe Ogechi ga-eme o, ịbarịba ga-agba. Please, it is not the time for long talk. It's just very short and simple. Tell your people to move out from every danger location. I've mentioned it for you, just to keep you safe. Then if you fail to keep yourself safe, then your blood will be upon you. Because we have been telling you that we will not look at you because of you. Slack back. No. It cannot be because of you we stop what we are doing. It will never be because of you. You can't delay us. We have our plan. And we have our time. Yes. Be one. And take this notice very, very serious. Obrize, we are coming. You know how I told you, we will tell you what we are about to do before we start doing it. So we have seen that you also prepare for us. So many new weapons have moved in. We have seen everything. We also help you remove them and arrange it somewhere for you. Until the time we will come to take some and burn some. Do you understand? You know now, we also help you removing those things from the vehicle that brought them and arrange it for you. We are very close to you than you ever think. And when I say we are in your midst, we are in your midst. But prepare. As you are preparing to die because you must die. Yeah. So lastly, leave Biafra territory while you are still alive with your life, or your dead body will not find its way back to your hometown. We can never bow down. We can never retrieve. We can never surrender. If you would take us to burn every living thing in Nigeria down, so be it. But one thing I can 100% guarantee you is that this very call for Biafra, it will never fail. And Biafra will never fail to be restored. And no other year than this year. So the question is, are you really ready to dance this masquerade with us? Are you ready to dance this masquerade with us? Because we are the great masquerade. Do you understand that? And I told you that we are fully prepared. You kill us before. Now we are back to kill you. Yes, because you must also die. Simple. We cannot die twice. We can never die twice. That is what you don't know. We are those you killed many years ago. And we are back to collect what we died for. So, get ready for the great masquerade is about to release its anger. Pananan, panananan, pananan, panananan, nanananan, nananan, nanan, nananan, nananan. At the end, all must hear Biafra. Keep tight. Permit me to hang up now and keep looking at them while they are sleeping. I'm looking at them. We are just standing quiet and looking at them. Maybe one of these days, I will give you their video, the way they are sleeping, so that they will know that indeed we are in their midst. But they don't know their left to their right. We are the one holding their life. Oh, Chukwuki Kabiama. If these people know what is coming for them, they could have, from the beginning, grant us our request and everybody go in peace. But just as stubborn as Pharaoh, they choose to perish, and we will still go. Since they choose that way, so be it. Because you have sent us that we may do this, and we will do that which you have sent us to do. I will not go until I bless the good Biafrans all over the world. And I will say, today is Eke. Eke is the first market day in the blessed land of Biafra. And Eke is a day of creation. And I will say, may the gods of our land and the spirit of Eke locate you wherever you are as a good son of the soil and bless you with every desire of your heart. May you be favored in all you're doing. May your enemy keep dying as they are always. And do you know what? May God give you wisdom to apply and keep to the instruction that will give you life so that you can live and see this great nation. From
yeah, my wonderful people, welcome back. As you don't listen to waiting this Biafra Liberation Army commander, whether they call Holy Ghost, don't talk for this particular video. Say people where they live for near the place where they call barrack, say may they come up for that side, say they want find them go. No be smart, you know, my people. Now come they say this one you go red though, but however when I don't hear the message, I will know they talk more when they fear, or will know they talk more when they run. But at least it better say you know, say this thing will happen than say you know, so that when you see car movement where you know, like you go know how you want to put your head though, because they say now who get life, now you get everything. Life is most important, and that's why we dey here. They bring on a bunch information of things where they happen, and no be say we dey here to promote anybody, or no be say we dey here to make you fear. No, but we dey here to they bring information. May they know wetin dey happen. My people, I beg, may you share this video so that other people go they get the information and know wetin dey happen, and they follow up wetin they go on for inside Biafra land as well. Okay, we'll see you for the next update, but I beg, may you not forget to follow this page and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching.